am back with another video. This was sent in to me. All it said was, check this out, your mind will be blown. So I am here to check it out. I already know that when it comes to Filipinos and singing, it is a match made in heaven. Most Filipinos can sing, and most can sing amazing. Let's check this out. Let's get it.
Harap ka dito, kabisado mo ba yan?
Bro, that little jump. Thought she was gonna start singing. Nope. I was bamboozled.
Gusto pa mataas?
Bro, I thought that was Alicia Cara for a second. Whoa, I did not expect her to sound like that.
Oh my God! Grabe!
How? How? Like, tell me, please explain to me. I mean, everybody always explains it. You know, I know that singing is very important to the Filipinos. I know this, but man, like, it is just so many epic voices that is out there. Like, literally everybody in the Filipinos, or not the Filipinos, everybody in the Philippines should be famous. Every Filipino should be famous. Obviously, I know that it don't work like that. Like, I know it don't work like that. But when you have a voice like this, you should be on TV. Like, whoa. I am shocked. Let's continue.
Ang galing! Hoy, kumanta ka pa, isa pa. Ano? Ano nga eh?
I am shocked. Please follow them on their TikTok. I rarely use TikTok, so it is following somebody, right? I like never really use TikTok. I am gonna be real with you, but maybe I should. Maybe I should start using it more. But thank you to the person that requested this video to me. Appreciate you. This was absolutely amazing, and yeah, my mind is legit blown. Like, Y'all stay safe out there. Have fun. Be happy. I will see y'all for the next one. Peace.
You